Introduce yourself.
I'm Tim. We're at Randall Bowers Memorial Rifle Range in Tenga, about 2 miles from Tennessee state line.
I'm Lee Fowler.
Both of them Fowlers.
Zoom it in on the 500.
There you go.
Holy cow, this is gonna be cool.
Which one's which?
All right, you got
That in the. That's
right there, I believe it's 400. It's
okay, that's 500 there. Listen this thing up.
yeah, that's 500 right there in the middle. Right there's 500.
That's 500?
So there's 500 right there,
Yeah.
and then over to the right is 400. To the left is 3, which is this one, and then you're gonna have to back up a little bit. Right there's 200, and then right there's your 100,
In the 50.
and then the 250s.
Also.
Yeah. We're here just the right time of day because the mirage hadn't got up yet. When the sun starts beating down, it's going to be so bad you can't hardly shoot.
The pistol range.
Dead deer.
Golly, I love that scope. 200-yard gone. will be in it.
Got it.
Got it.
Hit. Got
Nice. Dave's turn. At 200, it's dead on. At 300, you bracket the target between the second and third line.
I'm going for what?
Anything you want to shoot. You got 2 rounds. What are you going for first?
I'm gonna go back. What you said a while ago.
All right, the 200-yard square.
The one on the chain swinging one, right? That's what I'm going for.
All right, the square one.
Yeah.
All right. Shoot dead center of it, Dave.
I thought I had the bracket.
No, that's at 300. At 200, the square,
Okay, 200. Yeah, that's 200. Okay.
yeah, 200 square is dead center. Hit.
Yeah.
That's dead center too.
Yeah. Now what? 300 to do what now?
Okay, 300, you bracket it between the second and third. That's a hit. That's dead center.
Deal. That's on the first line.
First line.
First one below.
I may have told you wrong.
But I kept going up.
I just didn't want you to hit it the first time.
That's
Make
it.
you feel bad.
it. Help like that, you don't need nobody against you, do you?
Yeah.
Ooh, seen red that time.
Yeah. You knocked the crap out of
When you
it.
hit it, that white goes down. That
Okay.
shows the red behind it.
Okay. We'll hit
All
her
right, one
again.
more time right there. Yeah.
Look at that red.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's hitting it hard to show
That's
that
hitting it
red.
hard.
Yeah, to show that red that plane.
That's 300 yards, Dave. Fire that
That's,
sucker up.
that's hitting it hard, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, see red.
Oh yeah.
you can see that.
Yeah, I see
Right on the
that.
shoulder. Let's see you do that again.
Let's try it again.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
right in the bread basket.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the trace of the bullet?
Yeah, I didn't really see it
Here,
then.
get on this. And watch, just watch the target.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, damn, good shot. Right below that.
I'm telling you, this thing's deadly.
That thing's unbelievable. That's a shooter.
Alright.